I bet you're looking for a rice recipe that is loaded with lots of proteins, vegetables, and it's very flavorful and delicious. Try out this easy lentils rice recipe, which is going to take about 30 minutes to prepare, and the outcome is going to be some nice, flavorful, and delicious rice. The best part about the recipe is that you can meal prep the rice and keep it in the fridge, enjoy during the week, and save up some time, and it's going to be so easy for you. To make this delicious lentils rice, you'll need a few fresh vegetables, which I've already chopped up. So you'll need some carrots, some assorted peppers, that is red, green, and yellow capsicum. Also, you'll need some onions, coriander, garlic, and ginger, which are going to add in lots of flavor to our rice. You'll also need some lentils. I have mine over here, which are parboiled, and your basmati rice. Trust me, you have to go for the best quality of rice to get the best result. Because I've prepped up everything, it's time to cook my lentils rice. In your cooking pot over medium-high flame, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the cooking oil is hot, you're going to add in 2 medium onions. Saute the onions until they are soft. Once your onions are soft, you're going to add in some fresh crushed garlic and ginger, which is going to add in lots of flavor to our lentils rice. And also, don't skip on the garlic and ginger because it has lots of benefits. You're going to cook your garlic and ginger for around 30 seconds until the raw garlic flavor is gone, or until the garlic and ginger is fragrant. Also, as the garlic and ginger is cooking, stir frequently so that it doesn't burn. And once you catch that nice aroma, you'll add in some carrots, add in some curry powder, cumin powder, and one vegetable seasoning cube, plus a little bit more salt. Toss your spices together with the carrots and onions and cook for around 30 seconds so that the spices can toast up and get very aromatic. Also, I've added carrots at this point because they take a while to cook, so I'm going to be cooking my carrots together with the spices for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. While your carrots are cooking, you're going to wash your rice for around 2 times until the water runs clear. This is to get rid of the excess starch. You're going to add in your rice in your pot and toast for around a minute so that the rice can absorb in all the nice flavors from the spices. And then toasting the rice also is going to add in a very nice smoky flavor to the rice. After 1 minute, you're going to be adding in your parboiled lentils, which are going to come in handy and save time. So over here, I have 1.5 cups of lentils. Stir in your lentils into the rice, add in 2 cups of water because I'm cooking 1 cup rice. Then you're going to stir everything together. Wait for the water to come to a boil. You're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in more salt to perfect your dish. Once you notice that the water has evaporated such that you can't see the water, you're going to add in your assorted capsicum. And then you're going to cover, reduce the flames to low, and cook or simmer your rice for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you're going to check on your lentils rice, and this is how mine is looking. You can see the rice is perfectly cooked, and also the lentils, the veggies are just perfect. I'm going to garnish with some coriander leaves. In about 30 minutes, your lentils rice is going to be ready, and it's going to be looking very delicious. I absolutely love mine. So I'm going to cover the remaining rice so that it can stay warm. And over here, yeah, this is looking totally delicious and incredible. So definitely this rice is worth trying because you can meal prep the rice and keep in the fridge, enjoy it during the week, and everything will be just perfect for you and easy. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy lentils rice recipe.